there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I have got a coupon for you for $5 off the Geeeetech A10M printer. It's only good for 10 uses and one time per account. You'll find a coupon and the link down below. It is a nifty little printer. It is an amazing printer that's able to print in 2 colors at once. I am working on a few extra movies about how to use it with Kira. I'm trying also use it with Repetier. It's starting to get a big following on Facebook. The more you look up on it, the more you'll know. Friends, if you're finding this useful, please hammer that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you mash that subscribe button. Click that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie. And if you've got a question or a comment, add it down below. Thanks for watching. Happy printing, friends.